What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is my second video for spooky season. This is a glam white skull with pearls. So I've already done my base makeup, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Snazaroo white paint, and I'm going to begin creating the mouth area for this skull look. Now, one thing I definitely want to mention is that I did make a mistake while doing this video, so please excuse the way the lower jaw or the lower portion of the mouth area looks for now. I am going to correct it during the video so you guys will see that. However, I didn't want to cut out this part here, which is where I am going to begin creating the actual teeth for this look. So like I said, I'm going to create the teeth, and then I'm going to make the necessary adjustments, which I will include in the video for the jaw area. Like I said, I did make a mistake, and here is me adjusting the jaw area. Now, I did get the inspo from my friend Natalie. I will definitely include a link to her Instagram and the look that she created below. So the jaw inspo was definitely taken from that look. So I really just wanted to go back in and just adjust the look as necessary. And in my opinion, for this particular look, I think it was very necessary. So I went in and I made the correct adjustments to the jaw, and then I'm just going to begin filling in that area with a little bit of white paint, just because I feel like it really adds to the look. Like I said, when Natalie did this, it's a really dope look. The only thing I did that was much different, I will say, is I went in and added the pearls, so you guys will see that. So now what I'm doing is I'm just adjusting some of the teeth as they get farther out to the mouth area, just to make sure that those lines are as defined and as white as possible, just so that they really show up and show out. So I'm just adding a little more white paint where necessary. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I already did my brows off camera. So I'm taking my bronzer, and I'm just going to add some of this to my crease area as well as my lids, just to add a little bit of warmth to my eye area. I'm not doing liner or anything like that, so this is like the only major product that I'm adding to the eye area. Now I'm just gonna outline my my eye sockets with a little bit of white paint, also inspired from Natalie's look. And I am going to quickly create my nose as well. I didn't do like the normal or traditional nose that I normally do for my skull looks. I did like a simple pointed nose for this look, just because I really wanted to keep it as simple as possible, only because I knew that I would be adding the pearls to the look. So now I'm just going to fill that in with that Snazaroo white paint. Like, this is seriously one of my favorites, the Snazaroo paint, only because it shows up really opaque. And once again, I'm going to add more paint to the teeth area as well, just to make sure those lines are really prominent. Next up, I'm just going to add a little bit of definition to my brows using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. And this just really gives like that really, like the frowned or like the furrowed brow look that I love for skull tutorials. I really don't know how else to describe it. And then I just lightly brushed it out so it wasn't super defined, but it gives like a shadowed look. Now I'm going to begin using my pearls. So I picked up these pearls from Michael's, and they are like a flat back pearl. And to attach them, I'm using lash glue. That's pretty much it. I'm using the Duo adhesive that dries clear, and I'm just painting it on in small areas between the teeth currently, and then I am just applying those pearls as I see fit. I went in with like these small sizes first for the mouth area, just because the space in between the teeth is really small. So like for what would be the front two teeth, I went in with a bigger size, and then as I got further out to the ends of the mouth, I use the small flat back pearls to finish up this mouth area look. Now that the mouth is finished, I'm going to begin adding some of those pearls to the eye area. And I'm doing the same thing, only here I am using a variety of sizes for the eye area just because I feel like it would just look really dope. So I am going to take like a mix of like the small beads, some of the bigger beads, and I'm just going to figure out the placement as I go along to, I guess it's just like what I like for the most part. So of course you're more than welcome to do the same. Now that the eye area is finished, I did add a few of the pearls to the lower jaw area around the teeth, as well as along my cheekbones. And then I am adding some of the smaller pearls to the brow area just because I feel like it would just, you know, add a little something extra to the look. Nothing too crazy, but I will say that this portion of the video or the process does take a while, so you are going to need an extreme amount of patience. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this glam white skull with pearls look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please enjoy your Halloween week and be safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.